Hey guys, it's Andy Deal here with VP Racing Fuels. I want to talk to you guys today about an excellent product we've got. This is called Octanium Unleaded. It's formulated to provide a true octane boost. We are talking 7 numbers, 70 points. We put it on the dyno several times in naturally aspirated applications as well as forced induction. We've created a lot of horsepower and a lot of torque with this product. It's safe for use in cars that are late models that have catalytic converters and O2 sensors, but is for off-road use. Octanium Unleaded eliminates knocking and pinging. We put a detergent to it that cleans up fuel injectors. It gets rid of the gum and varnish, any kind of buildup from impurities in the fuel, and it improves throttle response and acceleration. This product is equally great for applications that are power sports, both dirt bikes, side-by-sides, four-wheelers. Check out this product on vpracingfuels.com. Contact a tech if you've got any questions.